Hello and welcome to AFG channel. Today I'm going to show how to code a string which we can count the vowels which are located inside our word or our string. For this one I'm going to create a new class called Vowels. So I just created our class called Vowels. So I'm going to delete out extra things here and we will start our own coding. So here, first of all, as I'm going to code this application through the user input, first of all, I'm going to import our scanner. Import java.util.scanner. So here I'm going to create my own static scanner. So static scanner is good for all if we want to use the scanner in the next classes or next joints as well. So here I'm going to static scanner. My scanner is named NIN, so you can name anything you want, you can name it SC, but I like to use it as N. Most of people use it as input. So new scanner, and inside the parentheses system.n, because we are going to use that user input. So we just created our scanner and imported our object inside our class. So now I'm going to create another static public void main class called string. So here I just created our string class, and remember guys, when you are coding, the design is much more important. So try to design your code as possible as clear. So here I'm going to create my scanner to ask the user to enter their word. For this one, I'm going to use system.out.print. Inside the print line, I write that enter your word. So once they enter their word, and here I will give an option for the user to enter their word. For this one, I use the string word equals to user input dot next line. So we just created our scanner to ask the user to enter their word. Now I'm going to code the main thing, which is much more important to run the operation in our application. So and here I'm going to use the while loop. While loop is much better. So I say word is dot equals to stop. So for this one, I just created the stop point. It means the program will run until the user puts the stop. So now I'm going to enter the for loop to complete my counting and other processes. So here I equals to 0, int I equals to 0, I is smaller than word dot length I plus plus. So sorry. I plus plus. So in here I'm going to write if statement. F A I E O U. The vowels are exist that or contains say plus word dot char at I chart I count plus. So it means if the system finds out any word contains any vowel, it will count it. So here I just forgot to put one thing because we always don't have the lower cases, so I'm just gonna mention that to lowercase. So now every word which we enter inside our application or user enters, that will change automatically to the lowercase. So as you can see, I didn't initialize the count. Here I should initialize the count. And count equals to 0. Yep. So here it is. Now I'm going to ask the user to input again. For this one, I don't need to write that. I'll just copy from here. Copy and just paste here. So now till here, we just created our main loop. Now I'm going to ask the user, I'm going to show the user actually the result. For this one, I should use the print out pattern. So system.out.println word plus vowels count plus so this is our coding for the counting of the vowels. So I'm going to just compile it and just check. Let's check it. Yeah. So now our scanner is working. It's asking to enter the word. So let's say Australia. So as you can see, it's asking for next word. I select Germany. Yeah. So as you can see, I have 2 capital words and too many lower cases. So and I say that stop the scanner. It says I have 7 vowels here. As you can see in Australia, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Our program is running. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel.